Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Everydayecrafts. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Everydayecrafts. So let's move the stuff to the side here. We'll do this one first. So this is, I think it's supposed to be like a wind chime, or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. We will see. It's a hanging ornament. So it looks like the toolkit does have the hanging ornament pieces in here. So let's, okay. So, oh wait, I hope I don't lose these things. There's another ring right there. So it looks like there's some rings here, and I'm guessing you're gonna have to use these to put it together. It's a good thing I still have my jewelry making stuff. So, or you could probably just use some pliers. So I'm just gonna get a baggie and put these in there at some point so I don't lose it. So, and then there's a really thin chain here. Because, yeah, I could put it back in where my toolkit is, but I have a separate place where I put my toolkits. So it does look like it comes with an ordinary toolkit with the green boat, wax, and pen. And here it is. It does look like it's a double-sided. Is that the orientation? It does look double-sided, and it's this moon with the sun here. I kind of feel like I did this, or my mom did a very similar picture, but it was on a standing thing here. So let me get my measuring tape. So this thing is about 12 and a half. Yeah, 12 and a half in diameter. And it does, I think you're supposed to put like the big one, and then the two small ones this way. And then you're supposed to put these jewels here, and then, oop, it comes with another ring. Just make sure I'm not losing my little, like, and then it'll look like that, and then the long chain will be up there. So don't think it's a wind chime then, it's just some sort of hanging ornament. Maybe I should have went for a bigger bag. But this is the bag that I saw first. Okay. So, this is gonna focus, there you go. I think the drill field looks pretty decent. I do notice this a lot in these double-sided ones where the print is printed on one side only, and then on the other side it's a tad bit more blurry because it's going through the plastic, which is, you know, that thick. So, but the other side doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit less clear, but it looks still pretty decent. So let's see. This is $6.99 on the website in US dollars. And so looks like some blue rhinestones, yellow, clear, red, orange, some of this turquoisey, bigger ones, purple marquise, blue marquise, some yellow marquise, and some of these blue turquoisey marquise there. And it looks like the symbols are just on the bags. So I anticipate being able to finish this for the end of the video, so look out for this at the end of the video. put this in here so I don't lose it. So yes, I'll put that to the side. Stuff. Oh. All right. Next thing here is a diamond painting. Which one is this one? It is, I'm trying to find it. So this one is a 30 by 40, it should be. A 30 by 40 round diamond painting. On the site, it's $7.99, so it looks like ordinary toolkit. And these are round drills. And hey, look, the drill bag actually has the DMCs on that. It's my favorite kind. It makes kitting up much easier. And ta-da, here it is. It's these gnomes. I've been finding the gnome pictures fun to do. Let's see. Gnome picture. I've been finding the gnome pictures pretty fun to do, so no. It's not cooperating with me, but so yeah, it's these two gnomes with a whole bunch of flags and things like that. I figured this would be nice to put up during the 4th of July holiday, which, wait, when am I getting? Which this actually might, I don't know. What's the date today? This might get posted, this is probably gonna get posted a little bit before 4th of July. So I'm just trying to think. Yeah, I was like, what day is it? Will this get posted? When will this get posted? I don't know. So there is 23 colors. The legend looks like it's all letters. And drill field. I think it looks awesome. I think it looks good. So, yep, and I've noticed this, but the W tends to be 939 or 310, and in this case it's 939. So, okay, this might be a little bit difficult to read if it will focus. Do you see the G and the O? Of course the G and the O are both red. So, yeah, that might be fun. But otherwise, you know, I think I noticed I tends to be the white color too. I don't know. It's just random things you notice because you diamond paint so much. Ooh, I wonder if I have clear stars that I could just kind of replace onto here and hopefully like just enough cover up the symbols. I might try that out. So, it's for fun, maybe. Because I'm pretty sure I have clear stars in my stash somewhere. I just don't know how well it would work. And would it cover up the symbols well enough? So, some white, red here. Some pink, purples, browns, some blues. I think there's going to be a lot of blues. Blues, more blues, and then some reds and browns and grays to fill it in. So it looks like there's going to be tons of blues in this one. And did I say this is $7.99? I probably did. And let's see, this is a 24.5, or it's between 24.5 and 25. So 24 3/4 by 34. All right, so that's that one. Let's see. I have next one here. Okay, this one should be a 30 by 30 special drill. It's $6.99 on the website, so ordinary toolkit. The pen looks like it's escaping though. So yeah, special drills. And here it is. It's this tree here. The plastic's actually nice and thick in this one. I don't know. It's one of those tiny things that make your life happier. I don't know why. But so there looks to be 16 colors. All the symbols are symbols. Everything is symbols. And drill field looks pretty decent. There is a lot of symbols though, so I think it might be a tiny bit harder to diamond paint, especially like, I don't know how easy it will be to differentiate between all of these teardrops here. And this one, maybe by size it'll be obvious. I guess we will see when we look at the drills. But it's this tree here. Where's the drills? The drills are over here. And did I say this was $6.99? I probably did. And it is a 23.5 by 24. Let's look at the drills here. So wait, probably better to start from here, maybe. So some brown, red, clear, blues, purples, black, and these look like ordinary black drills because they do have the pointy top. Ooh, this is one of my favorite drills. It's the clear with the AB coating. Some yellows. So here is the beginning of the teardrop. So it does look like all the teardrops are different colors. I don't know. Hopefully obvious. And here is some blue marquees. And then I'm guessing then, see with this, I'm guessing the background is going to be pink. So this must be the background. Pink with 3 different sizes. So this is a full drill diamond painting. Oh, it's not closing. Sometimes half the battle is putting the drills back in the bag. All right, so that is, wait, no, I have another item. I lied. Okay, so this one I saw on their website and I'm like, what in the world? So for whatever reason, when I saw it on the website, I thought it was 3 pens. I did not realize it was actually connected with this bar here. So I don't know if you see, it's like, there's a wheel here. It does come with some O-rings here, I guess to input to extras, okay, because the tips already have the O-rings in there. So let's see. It's just, so this is meant for, I don't know how easy this would be to diamond paint with. I'm gonna put tips on everything, so let's just put tips on everything, and I'll just do them kind of in order. So it does look like it comes with the single placer and the single placer with the angled tip, the 3 placer, 6 placer, 9 placer, and then the straightener. So I'm just pondering how do you hold this? How do you hold this? Yeah, I think this might be a failure. I don't think you can even down, like, how do you hold it? Ooh, do you hold it? Ooh, do you hold it like this? And then you're like, nope, nope, nope. Yeah, it's pretty. At least I'll be able to use it for the tips. So this is $12.99. It comes with the 6 tips, and then can you take these out? Nope. Nope. So yeah, I don't know how you use this. Okay, maybe like that. And then, I mean, I need a 3-placer, do this. No. Yeah, no. I just don't see how this works. So, it's pretty. Maybe you could use it to display your tips. Is this magnetic? I'm just trying to... Nope, but you could probably put a magnet on it and then like put it on your wall or something, and if you're like, ooh, where's my 3-placer, you could use it to figure out where your 3-placer is. But I don't think this would work as a diamond painting pen. No, no. But yeah, no, when I went and ordered this, I thought it was just 3 pens. And then with tips, I didn't realize they were actually stuck together like this. But yeah. Yeah, I don't think this will work. Other than, yeah, I think this could be a display thing. And you can just be like, oh, where I need my 6-placer, and then just find it on this thing. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes the doohickeys coming out might not work out. But like I said, at least I have the pens, the tips, and I use these tips a lot. Although with them being metal, they are actually very, very resilient. Don't need to replace them as much as when I was using the plastic ones. So yeah, yeah. And at least I got more the O-rings, because these things pop out sometimes. So yeah, I think it's pretty. I'm not sure execution-wise whether it will work. Although so but at least the tip should work. Yep, that's interesting. All right, so that's the last one I'm showing you for today. So let me show you everything in this video here. There. And here's the moon. So I'm gonna work, I know the moon is gonna get done. I kind of think I'm going to diamond paint this one also if I have the time. And yeah, that is all I have for now. So I'll see you later with hopefully some finishes. So I'm back, and this one is done here. I think it turned out really cute. The gnome pictures have been really fun. So what did I say? So there's 23 colors. These are rounds with DMC. It took me 8 hours and 12 minutes over 4 days. And I said the rendering was fine. The symbols, some of them were blurry. I think that was mainly the white symbols that are on the dark background. And the canvas was fine, the drills were fine, the gapping was fine, and I did have some issues with some of the letters being pretty much similar. So I thought the G and the O, which were both red, were annoying. What else did I say? The I and the T also look very similar sometimes. And the R and B, both of these look very similar. And of course, they're all the same colors. So yeah. I also thought a little bit, some of the transitions in the colors, there's no like real transition. Like here, do you see where the gnome's jacket ends and the background begins? Nope. There's no clear line there. I guess I could have put a line, but that's, yeah. I guess maybe this is the line, but it's not very clear where, and see here too, where the, well, this one is a little bit better. It's a darker blue, but it's not very clear where the shirt ends and begins. For down here, just at the shirt, the top, it looks fine. You see there is clear definition between the hats and things like that. There's not this part of the flag and the hat, there is no definition between them. So there's certain things where I'm just like, there's just, it's probably because it's just a tad bit too small, so you just don't see that transition change between the the items on there, because like on the real picture here, you see there is transitions between the jacket and the background. But that was the main thing. So I did do a tiny bit of blinging up. I was gonna do more, and then it was just when there's too much confetti, it's a little bit harder to do the blinging up. So, but I this is the first time I tried this, but I put in stars, like these special shaped stars, where the stars are. And it was able to fit into where there's about 4 drills. I just had to make sure the point was pointing, the point of the star was pointing to a place where there was a little bit of space. So yeah, I put stars on the jacket here. I put some silver drills where the belt buckles are. And then I used some stars up here too. These were all supposed to be stars. And then I used rhinestones for these bigger stars, and then I just kept putting in as many stars as I could. Over here, the stars got bigger, and I just had that one size star, so, and then this star here, I put this yellow star because I actually had a bigger one. So yeah, I just put in the stars in the background for all the little stars there, and I just thought, hey, that actually kind of worked out. It's like I said, it was the first time I've put in special shapes where the regular drills are, and so you can still see the letters. I don't know if it'll focus. Like you can see there's supposed to be an I right there, and you can still see kind of there's the background letters, and maybe this one is more obvious. You can see the I's back there, but I think it still looked good. So it was just like a test. I was like, can I put like real special shaped stars in here as opposed to just leaving the original thing? And I think it worked out. So there is that one. And the other one is this one here. Let me move you down a little bit. So I finished this sun and moon. It is double-sided. I've actually also sealed this so that I'll be able to put it together. So I think it's really pretty. It's just a simple one. So it's about a 12.5 centimeter diameter with 11 colors. 6 of them were crystal rhinestones and 5 specials. I thought the rendering was good. One side was a little blurry for the symbols. The stick, there was extra at the side, but that's why I sealed it. And plus it doesn't, I usually seal these ones that are not going to be behind in any plastic or anything. So the canvas is this hard plastic. The drills were fine. The gapping is not applicable. I did this over 1 hour and 31 minutes. So this one, it did come with some extras. I didn't kit it up other than put them into baggies. It did come with some extras, and I figure let's try putting it together on camera. So there's the extras, and I do have my tools here. See if I can remember how to put together things. So, okay, so there's a longer one here, and 2 shorter ones. And does the picture have this? Yeah, it has the squares with the jewels here. So what are these extra O-rings for? Because if that goes directly into there, and I'm guessing this. See, the thing with this chain, which is the chain that's supposed to be at the top, it's really thin, so I'd be kind of afraid of it Okay, so the rings are actually pretty easy to move, so I don't know if it necessarily needs to be... I need my tools. Although, I think the rings need to be bigger. Oh wait, is there no hole? Is that why I'm trying to put it in there and I can't go through? I wonder if I accidentally covered it up when I sealed it. No, I just have to pop it out. Okay, there's a plastic. I was like, why isn't it coming through? Okay. I'm a little rusty in my jewelry making. So this is supposed to go up top somehow. Like I said, I'm a little rusty on my jewelry making. So I do have these pliers, which would probably be better. There. Okay, so that's supposed to be where it hangs, hopefully. So, but yeah, this is really, really thin, so, but it's not that heavy, so it should be fine. And then so I guess this could go in through here. Okay, so this one is a little bit more. Do I need my... I have like this ring. It's supposed to help hold it in to open it up. So there. And okay, so I have that jewelry thing into there, and but this one there. So that's in there. And the bigger jewel thing. There. And I'm not sure what these are for, other than maybe you're supposed to have two of them. Or maybe this jewel thing. Yeah, no, that's like not... See, the picture looks like it's that ring is up there. So yeah, I'm not sure what the extra one is other than not putting this directly in there. So but if that's not needed, then I'll just keep the extra rings. So yeah, I don't think it's extra rings. Oops. So yeah, you should be able to do this with just regular pliers. Oh, this one is not poked out either, the plastic piece. There. Oh. That one's not poked out either. So. See, I think this is why I stopped jewelry making. I think I wasn't patient enough for it. And plus I ran out of ideas. So. There. Yeah, I was not patient enough for it, maybe ran out of ideas. It takes too much hand-eye coordination, which apparently I don't have. Okay. So, like I said, and probably improper technique. I was like, I should be able to show this and look like I know what I'm doing. Nope, 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 nope. There. So, I have a bunch of extra rings here, which I'll just add, I guess, to my collection of stuff. And there you go. There. The chain is really short. So there is that, and could hang this somewhere now. So yeah, there is my failed attempt at showing you my jewelry making talent, which it seems like it's not really a talent then. So yeah, here is the 2 items that are finished for this unboxing. So thank you very much to Everydayecrafts for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!